If you're thinking about buying the Monster S380, you're probably asking one simple question. Is it actually worth your money? Or is it just another overhyped Bluetooth speaker? After looking at its features, real user feedback, and overall value, here's what I found. First, the good news. The Monster S380 is a portable Bluetooth speaker built for everyday use. It delivers up to 40 watts of output, offers around 20 hours of battery life, and comes with an IPX6 water-resistant rating. That means it's great for the beach, camping, backyard parties, or even just listening at home. It also supports Bluetooth, AUX, USB, and TF cards, giving you plenty of ways to play music. Now, let's talk about the sound. For its price, it's surprisingly powerful. The bass is punchy, vocals stay clear, and it gets loud enough for medium-sized rooms or outdoor gatherings. Don't expect premium audiophile quality, though. At maximum volume, the sound can lose some detail, and there's no built-in equalizer to fine-tune the audio. What about the build quality? It feels solid and durable. The carrying strap is a nice touch, and the water resistance adds peace of mind. Just remember, IPX6 means it can handle splashes and rain. It's not designed to be fully submerged in water. Now for the big question. Is the Monster S380 a scam? No, there's nothing that suggests it's a scam. It's a real product from an established brand, and it generally delivers what it promises. Most complaints are about small trade-offs, like the lack of advanced sound controls or the limited Bluetooth range, not fake advertising. So, who should buy it? If you want an affordable Bluetooth speaker with strong volume, long battery life, and good outdoor durability, the Monster S380 is a solid choice. But if you're looking for studio-quality sound or premium smart features, you'll probably want to spend more on a higher-end speaker. Overall, I'd say the Monster S380 is legit. It's not perfect, but it's far from a scam. For the price, it offers good value and should satisfy most casual listeners.